strong electrostatic forces of attraction between positively charged cations and negatively charged anions. Cations are formed when atoms lose their valence electrons, and anions are formed when atoms gain electrons into the valence shell. Both the cation and the anion attain the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas.
As ionic bonds are found extensively throughout the structure, ionic compounds are said to take on a giant ionic structure. Because ions of like charges repel each other, the ions are arranged to maximize the distance between like charges and minimize the distances between opposite charges. They maintain this fine balance of inter-ionic distances, as it will become energetically unstable if the ions are spaced too closely.
To draw the dot and cross diagrams for ionic compounds such as sodium chloride, you first have to draw up the respective elements such as sodium cation and the chloride anion. And after that, you mark down the respective charges of each of the ions. Then you draw up the valence electrons in the valence shell.
As for the factors affecting strength of ionic bonds, the ionic bond strength can be deduced from the lattice energy of an ionic compound. Lattice energy is the energy released when one mole of the solid ionic compound is formed from its constituent gaseous ions under standard conditions. The magnitude of lattice energy is dependent on the charges of the cations and anions, as well as the ionic radii of the cations and anions. In other words, ionic bonds formed between ions with high charge and small size, i.e. higher charge density, are the strongest.